सब लोग ये सोच रहे हैं कि विल एआई रिप्लेस ह्यूमन ट्रेडर्स और विल एआई ट्रेड बेटर देन ह्यूमंस, बट आई फील ये क्वेश्चन ही गलत है. इट्स नॉट एआई वर्सेस ह्यूमंस, आई फील इट्स एआई प्लस ह्यूमंस, वेयर humans know how to use AI to get better at trading. So I see a lot of guys talking about AI signals या AI trading या automated तुम्हारा system चलेगा सिर्फ AI के basis पे. Nowadays I also get ads regarding apps, like legit apps which will tell you कि AI बोलेगा कि कौन सा stock ऊपर जाने वाला है, AI बोलेगा कौन सा पैर ऊपर जाने वाला है, and लोग भी इसमें brain wash हो रहे हैं because just because someone is using the word AI, they feel that these signals are gonna come from God himself कि भगवान आके देने वाला है कि gold buy करो या gold sell करो, but that's not the case. Truth is जो traders AI आने के पहले हार रहे थे वो AI आने के बाद भी हारेंगे, और जो ट्रेडर्स AI आने के पहले जो जीत रहे थे वो तो वैसे भी जीतते रहेंगे. So let's first understand what AI is great at or what AI is good at. See, AI जो चलता है that works on knowledge that is already known by humans. But the only difference is अगर मैं तुमको पूछूंगा कि साइंस का एक क्वेश्चन पूछो और एक तुमको बायोलॉजी का क्वेश्चन पूछूं, you'll have to study about it while AI knows about all the fields. So AI doesn't have its own brain. It is just giving you access to information that is already there within humans. Now where I'm coming to with this is that AI knows how to work on past human data, but doesn't know how to predict future data. कि समझो अगर कल forex market में news है, कुछ heavy news है, Powell is gonna come and say something, you would know because you're watching it in live time. AI doesn't. तो अगर Powell ने कुछ बोला, market अपना ऊपर नीचे होगा. Donald Trump sits in his office, he'll put out a tweet and markets are gonna go haywire. AI is not gonna understand that. वो उसको समझेगा ही नहीं क्या हो रहा है ये. So automations only work when change isn't there. And markets are something that change every 3 months. At the start of the year, when you had Donald Trump come in, the market had gotten ultra volatile. उसके बाद market फिर से थोड़ा टाइम के dead हो गया. Then again market started getting volatile again and then dead again. Now changing conditions के साथ AI manage नहीं कर पाएगा. So put all in one line, AI works when there are rules, and humans know when these rules are supposed to be used or when these rules actually stop working. Now there are few places where humans would lose, where humans face emotion. जैसे एक बंदे को greed feel होता है, एक बंदे को डर लगता है, दूसरे बंदे को trade समझता नहीं है और he's just self doubting himself every now and then. Now these are things which AI wouldn't face. उसको ये emotions feel नहीं होंगे. तो AI systems को defeat कर सकता है. जैसे कि अगर एक खराब system है तो AI can definitely defeat it, but AI is not defeating a human. It is defeating a bad system. So if your system is great, you have a designed system, everything is set, then AI won't defeat it. अब जब मैं personally भी trade करता हूँ, I have a set of rules or I have a set of system in place where अगर मैं trade ले रहा हूँ तो मेरा एक fixed stop loss है, fixed target है, 30-40 pips, 100 pips TP, all that is set. I know when I'm not supposed to trade. For example, Friday evening को मेरा hit rate इतना अच्छा नहीं रहता, तो I don't trade on Friday evenings. Monday को early Mondays I don't trade a lot, and during these off overlapping hours of sessions I don't take a trade. This is something I've understood over time, over intuition, which only a human can have. Now if we take AI on one side, which is good at not having emotions, good at following a system with precision, not just following it with precision, without thinking twice, without looking at past loss streak or whatever, बिना इमोशन के सिस्टम पे वो डिसाइड कर सकता है, और एक ह्यूमन है जिसका स्ट्रेटजीज अच्छा है, जिसका सिस्टम अच्छा है, जिसका साइकोलॉजी ऑलरेडी सेट है. Now imagine when we bring both of these together, what will happen? So the point I want to make is the future is not AI versus humans, it's AI plus humans. AI can go against those traders who don't have structure, who don't have a system, but AI can't go against traders who already have that in place. And therefore AI is not going to replace traders, it's going to replace randomness. So if you're a trader entering into trading in 2026 and you're probably thinking कि यार AI तो job सबकी ले ही रहा है, तो what if AI can trade better than me, or what if AI takes over trading? Then there's something I have for you. I'll give you 3 steps. So first is to use AI tools for more clarity or for more structure, not for signals. Second is to probably build a system around AI which makes your trading more structured, which makes it more systemized. And third is understanding your strength. When you're sitting in the live market, understanding कि if price is moving in a certain way, what price could do, or if prices move this much, what can price do next, and using AI to get better. So the future of trading is not ChatGPT, it's ChartsGPT. So anyway, with that we come to the end of the video, and I hope you like this video. थोड़ा अतरंगी topic था, AI versus humans का. It was more tacky. And if you want to watch more videos like this, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification for this channel, because if you want to trade like an AI, I do live stream every day at 2:30 and 7 PM on YouTube. See you there.